Where was the naval exercise between India and Algeria conducted recently? Answer is Mediterranean Sea. D. eSource is an online platform being developed by which institution? Answer is B. IIMA. What is the market capitalization to GDP ratio of India as of 2021? Answer is C. 122. Which country hosted the 8th BIMSTEC Agriculture Experts Meeting? Answer is India. C. Which state has launched Innovation Mission, a public-private partnership to boost startup sector? Answer is B. Punjab. Which country has recently developed a prototype miniature helicopter for surveillance work on future Mars mission? Answer is B. China. What is the name of the event to be conducted by the Department of School Education and Literacy during September 2021? Answer is A. Shikshak Parv. Eastern Economic Forum EEF is an annual meet held in which country? Answer is B. Russia. Patrakar Kalyan Kosh is a scheme for journalists implemented in which state? Answer is Chhattisgarh. D. Where was the World Stamp Exhibition Philanipon 2021 held? Answer is D. Japan. Answer is D. Japan. Which country chaired the 11th BRICS Trade Ministers meeting was held in 2021? Answer is India. D. What is the name of the bilateral naval exercise that is being held between India and Australia? Answer is Malabar exercise. With which country's Navy INS Tawar has undertaken a maritime partnership exercise? Answer is D. Egypt. With which organization LIC Housing Finance Limited has partnered to provide home loan products to over 4.5 crore customers? Answer is India Post Payments Bank. Indian government and the Asian Development Bank have signed a $300 million loan to expand rural connectivity in which state? Answer is B. Maharashtra. Which bank has launched Wise POSGO in collaboration with MSY Technologies Private Limited? Answer is Karnataka Bank. In which country world's largest plant to capture CO2 from air has started functioning? Answer is Iceland. C. Who has been appointed as Chairman and Managing Director of National Fertilizers Limited? Answer is C. Nirlep Singh Rai. Recently, with which country India has held a maritime affairs dialogue? Answer is C. Japan. On which date National Forest Martyrs Day is observed? Answer is B. September 11. September 11. Minister of State for Food Processing Industries Prahlad Singh Patel has inaugurated a food processing unit of Sahara Frozen Foods in which state? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. C. Which country has become the first country in the world that requires all new homes to have EV chargers? Answer is D. England. With which country India has launched the Climate Action and Finance Mobilization Dialogue? Answer is D. United States. In which state UT Union Territories India's largest open-air fernery has been inaugurated? Answer is C. Uttarakhand. Which organization along with Infosys, has entered into a multi-year strategic engagement with Osgrid to accelerate its cloud transformation journey? Answer is C. Microsoft. Microsoft. Who has the who has won the US Open men's doubles final? India has handed over Dornier aircraft to which country? Answer is Mauritius. Mauritius. Which organization has partnered with the Assam government to provide project specific loan for upgrading MSME clusters? Answer is SIDBI. B. SIDBI. On which date International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer is observed? Answer is September 16th. C. With which bank Escorts Limited has partnered to provide financial solutions to farmers? Answer is Indusin Bank. B. Indusin Bank. Which organization has launched a unique scheme called SPIN, strengthening the potential of India? Answer is Khadi and Village Industries Commission. A. Which ministry has launched a pan-India special campaign called Ek Pahal Drive? Answer is Ministry of Law and Justice. With which organization TriFed has signed a MOU for entrepreneurship development of tribals in pearl farming across the country? Answer is C. Purti Agrotech. What is India's rank in the 2021 edition of Global Innovation Index launched by World Intellectual Property Organization? Answer is B. 46. Which institution awards the Blue Flag certification? Answer is C. Foundation for Environment Education. Which country hosted the 6th edition of SCO exercise Peaceful Mission 2021? Answer is C. Russia. Which act provides for a legal mandate to ensure rights related to elections to persons with disabilities? USA is to hand over the 3,500-year-old tablet recounting the Epic of Gilgamesh to which country? B. Answer is B. Iraq. Fat to fail. The crisis of children's deaths in early life is a report recently released by which institution? Answer is UNICEF. C. UNICEF. C. India held its first joint working group meeting on coal and mines with which country? Answer is C. Australia. The National Pension System Divas is said to be observed by PFRDA on which date? Answer is October 1. B. Abhishek Verma, who was seen in the news recently, is associated with which sports? Answer is archery. C. The birth anniversary of which leader is observed as the Antyodaya Divas in India? Answer is Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay. B. Which organization has proposed to fund India's national rail plan over the next 30 years? Answer is C. World Bank. Ordnance Factory Board is said to be converted into how many PSUs? Public sector units. Answer is C. 7. Which company has launched Future Engineer program in India? Answer is Amazon. B. Padmaja Chundru, former MD and CEO of Indian Bank, has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of which organization? Answer is NSDL. The cabinet approved the continuation of the National Export Insurance Account scheme till which year? Answer is D, 2025 to 26. What is the new name of the National Midday Meal Scheme? Answer is PM Midday Meal Alpha A.